Kapag in-stop po ba ang Vaseline soap, magkaka-pimples ulit? Okay guys, I think this question is not only applicable to Vaseline soap, but all skincare and treatments that are geared towards improving or managing acne. So as you know, pag meron kayong ginamit na skincare and nakita nyo na ang skincare na ito ay nagsanhi ng pag-clear ng inyong skin, then definitely there is good reason to say that yung skincare na yon na ginamit ninyo have the anti-acne effects that your skin actually needs. And so far guys, especially in Filipinos, if yung acne natin ay late onset, most likely guys, we will continue to have acne even in our late adulthood. So yan po ang na-notice ko sa mga Filipino acne-prone skin, no? So, usually these particular individuals, kailangan talaga nila ng something to control their acne. They need to be using a skincare to control their acne for a long, long time. Not unless you do oral medications to potentially cure your acne. But if not po, then most likely kailangan po natin ng something to control our acne and excess oiliness. Kasi pag tinanggal natin yan, most likely babalik po ang ating mga acne, especially kung hindi na-establish yung cure for acne. So, within 2 months, within 3 months, maaaring bumalik yung mga acne natin. It can be sooner for different people. So, iba-iba po kasi yung response ng ating balat. Each individual, iba-iba po ang reaction to treatment and non-treatment of acne. So for me guys, if nakahanap naman kayo ng mga topicals or skincare na nag-work sa skin ninyo and nakita nyo nag-clear talaga yung acne ninyo because of using that particular skincare or topicals, I suggest na i-continue nyo ito kasi maganda yan para sa inyong balat. Yun po ang ibig sabihin, na pa-balance out niya yung mga bagay-bagay na nagkukos po ng inflammation and nagkukos po ng acne eruption. But in any case, choice nyo pa rin po yan. Kung gusto nyong i-stop po yung mga ginagamit ng skincare, nasa sa inyo po yan. But then again guys, dermatology is not black and white. So, meron din talagang mga individuals na pag hininto ninyo yung mga anti-acne skincare or topicals ninyo, meron din talaga na hindi na talaga babalik yung acne nila. But majority of patients, especially Filipino patients with acne-prone and sensitive skin with late onset acne, especially moderate to severe hormonal acne and acne vulgaris, usually they have a prolonged duration in terms of getting acne. Even late adulthood, nagkakaroon pa rin ng acne. So my suggestion is, if nakahanap na kayo ng skincare para sa acne niyo, nahiyang kayo and nag-clear kayo dito, might as well continue it na lang. Kung kaya naman ng budget natin. Alright guys, for more acne tips, follow me. And basta acne, DMD. Bye!